Hey everyone, Fergus here from Irish Scent Guy. So it's today's date is, wait now, let me just get this up. It's the 19th of September. So first off, special announcement, the Darth Vader warmer is coming today. I have no idea of the timeline, so judging on past releases, it's more than likely going to be after 3 p.m. Irish time. So maybe take a look at the site. Maybe 3, 4, 5 o'clock, I'd say, possibly 6. So if you're into Darth Vader, that warmer is coming today, along with the new bar as well for that, which is Dark Side of the Force. So the description sounds amazing. As soon as you see that, let me know if you want it. I'm thinking this warmer is probably going to be as popular as Jack Skellington. So if you do want it, just get on the site and order it quick, because I'm sure, like Jack, sold out in the initial stock sold in the first 5 minutes. So if Jack is anything to go by, I think the Darth Vader warmer could go just as quick. The next bit we have is, yesterday was my Scentsy delivery, so I've opened the box. This is my Whiff box for September. It's quite a heavy box, so I think there's going to be lots in this. And I also had my Scentsy Club subscription. Sorry about the light in here today. It's quite a sunny day, which is always a good complaint. Now, in one of the Scentsy, I'm going to start with the Scentsy Club subscription first. So the bars that came yesterday for my Scentsy Club subscription are ones that I have coming every 3 months. And there's 2 packs of 6 bars in this one. So the first pack is a licensed bar pack, and they're the Disney bars. And then the second pack, they're just regular bars. So I'm going to start with the Disney ones just to show what I have in my Disney subscriptions. I'm going to pull them out here. 3, 4... Now, the first one I'm going to start with, now I have actually already started warming it and I've only 3 cubes left. So the first one, this is the Toy Story Woody Reach for the Sky. This was my first time smelling this. So this one would have been released when the Woody and Buzz Lightyear buddies came out. I think it was when the Toy Story, I think they came in just before Toy Story 4 launched. And this, just going on the scent description, it sounded really nice and it sounded like something I'd like. It's a real masculine kind of woody, almost leathery but not quite, but it's a really strong performer as well. Now, I had it going in my warmer all of yesterday, and then last night I went out to the cinema to see Downton Abbey, which was totally fab, and then came back last night just to check a couple of things up here in the attic, and the smell was just amazing. Now, it has lightened off a lot throughout the night, but the warmer has been on 24/7. So at this stage, the bar, the cubes have been warming for almost, I'd say we're maybe at around the 18 to 20 hour mark, but yeah, I can still smell it here. So I have another few cubes going around the house today just because I really like this smell. I'm thinking I'll definitely be keeping this in the subscription. The next one I have is Belle Enchanted Rose. So this is one of my favourite of the Disney princesses. Some of them I didn't find too strong performing, and then there was at least 2 actually I thought were quite good, and that was the Cinderella and the Belle. So I put Belle in. Didn't really have room because my 6-pack is full. There is one bar I might remove, but I want to make room now for the new Darth Vader Dark Side of the Force bar today. Next one I have is Aladdin Arabian Nights. So in my 6-pack of bars for the licensed bars in my club subscription, I did have all 5 Aladdin bars. And as I warmed them, I was discovering that while they smelled really, really good cold, some of them just were a bit too light when I was warming them, and they just didn't perform well enough for my tastes. So Arabian Nights was one of the ones I really liked, so that's staying in my club subscription. And I'll just take another sniff at this again. Oh, it's kind of a perfumey, fruity kind of a smell. Really, really nice. Really nice. Next one I have then is Circle of Life. This one, I just really like it. Now, yeah, this is I actually have, this is a full bar, so this is the one that came yesterday, and this is one that I've been using. So it smells very similar to woody, but there's a very slight difference in the scents. But when I warmed this the first time, it was amazing. And with this one again, I got this one with the Simba Buddy, and the wax, the buddy and the scent pack all came together in the bundle. And as soon as I smelt the wax cold, again, it's a lovely, rich, deep, masculine scent, and it's just like a really, really nice men's cologne. And it's a really strong performer. From memory, it's been a while now since I've warmed it, but I'll probably put it in again soon now that I have a second bar of it. It lasted maybe 2 to 3 days from my memory of the last time. And when I'm saying 2 to 3 days, that's with my warmer turned on 24/7. So and that was just 1 cube of it. So I was quite pleased with that one. The next one I have is Prince Ali from the Aladdin collection. Again, this was another one I loved, and it was a good, strong performer. So now this is more fruity. Oh, there's something else in there, but this was another lovely one. And I even remember my nephew quite liked this one as well. And then the last one I have in this subscription 6-pack is A Whole New World from the Aladdin collection. Now this one I'm probably going to replace, because while it does smell really nice cold, it just doesn't, it's very light, and even when it was warming I could just about smell it. So while it's a lovely bar, it'll probably be making room now for the Darth Vader bar. And then unfortunately there's another bar coming that I've smelt the scent pack of it, because we didn't get the bar of it last year when Olaf came out, and he's coming back on October 1st. But the wax bar for Olaf, Warm Hugs, is coming out, so I'm going to have to make some decisions about what's staying and what's going in my 6-pack. Oh, tough decisions. Tough decisions. First world problems. Okay, now the other part, before I demolish the place here, the other part then is another 6-pack I have. Let's get these out here. And this is, first off, it's frosted ginger cookie. So this is my ultimate Christmas smell. I actually went through a bar of this the other week just because I felt like getting festive. There's no such thing as too early for Christmas. And oh my god, it just smells like baking and gingerbread. Oh my god, yeah. I remember one of the first times I warmed this a few years ago. I had it going down in the kitchen, and Dad came down and was like sniffing around, go, "What are you baking?" Unfortunately I wasn't, it was just the Scentsy. The other 5 bars I have in this pack are from the Hygge collection, which was out around just before last Christmas. So I have Cozy Kitchen. This is a lovely kind of if you like your cinnamon smells, you'll love this one. And some of these might still be available in clearance, I'm not 100% sure, so have a check in there. Yeah, it's like, I'm even getting like an almondy marzipan kind of a scent off it. Oh, gorgeous. Amaretto type, yeah. Lovely. Quiet Clementine, that's another gorgeous bar. And it's very citrusy, but then there's like a sweet perfumey note to it. And I think this is going to be amazing around Christmas time as well, and possibly even before. I think I'll have probably another delivery of this coming in December, so I'll have enough for the Christmas season. Woolly Slippers. This is another lovely one. There's like a hint of lavender in this, and it smells almost milky, or I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, it's a lovely one. Then the last two I have are Toasty Cabin. This is a lovely blue colour. What I remember, it's a lovely kind of a masculine scent. Yeah, it's kind of a deep, fresh, kind of smells blue as well. And then the last one is Calming Woods. Love this one, absolutely, and it's a lovely green coloured wax. And this kind of again smells like a lovely men's cologne. It's kind of fresh and woodsy as well. Lovely. So that's what I had coming in this month's Scentsy Club subscription. So I had 2 6-packs of bars. I think next month it's just going to be a Whiff box, I'm not sure. But I also then had the Whiff box. So this is my unboxing for the September 2019 Whiff box. Okay, so as always we have the Scent with Love and Happy Whiffing inside. Let's see. So first off, we get a little leaflet which explains a little bit, gives you kind of a hint about what's in it. So this one says, our new autumn-winter 2019 catalogue is so trending right now. This month's Whiff box brings you an assortment of new fragrances and Scentsy products, all currently available. Turn the pages of the enclosed new catalogue to see what the season has in store. Hint, rough. Live, love, whiff. Share your unboxing moments with hashtag happy whiffing. And then inside, usually there's some sort of an activity. So this one is, in the spirit of our new catalogue's theme, Endless Possibilities, we thought it would be fun if Scentsy fans designed their own fragrances. So you choose your fragrance notes from our new fragrances below, mix and match your notes according to what's inspiring you at the moment, your family, your dog, the weather, whatever. Think of a catchy name that captures its personality. For example, if you combine cedarwood, cinnamon and roasted apple to make simmering cider. And finally, share your creation and story with hashtag happy whiffing on social media. So that's quite a nice little thing just to kind of get you thinking. And again, it's a great way to think about mixing the bars yourself, because not only with the Scentsy system are you able to just warm single bars, but you can combine cubes and make your own unique scents. So let's get this open. Brilliant. Okay, so straight off we have a catalogue. They did this again in March when the new catalogue came out, so for new customers you're getting a free catalogue, which is brilliant. So it goes through all the new products that are coming. I'll do a catalogue walkthrough. I know I'm a bit late, but yeah, I'll get that done soon. Oh, wow. Okay, so this explains why the box was so heavy. Okay. I have a World Traveller Scent Circle. These are fantastic. I love these. And World Traveller is one of my favourite scents. I think somebody said if you like, was it Joe Malone Black Noir or something? Or I don't know who makes Black Noir. Or I don't know, but if you like that scent you will love World Traveller. Okay, oh, I'm excited. Okay, so these are a brand new product. These are car clips for your car that go onto the vent to freshen your car. Lovely. And these are in Luna. We have a bar of wax in this month's scent of the month. This is blackberry mint. Take a quick. Oh, it's lovely. We had if you get the box regularly, you'll actually get a scent cup. Here's a cup here of next month's scent of the month. And this one is citrus pomegranate. So let's open it up. Oh, this is very fresh and quite zingy. It's nice. If you like your citrus scents, I think you're going to love this one. And I don't know, for me, citrus scents, they're great on a rainy day because I find them very uplifting. Nice. What's this one? Oh, bathroom cleaner. So we have this in aloe water and cucumber. I've used this in what scent did I get? I think it was coconut lemongrass. It was fantastic. Loved it. And oh, what's this? This is the Scentsy Soak, and this is Go-Go Mango. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a bath, but that's not going to stop me using it. So I have like a foot spa, so I'm going to use it in my foot spa. And lastly, in here, we've got 2 samples of the Shimmer Laundry Liquid. So that's a fab box. It's a really heavy box. Really happy with this month's Whiff box. Looking forward to getting it again next month. A bit more. So that's September's unboxing moments. If you want to get your hands on the September's Whiff box, you can order through my website. You can get it on as a one-off. They're great gift ideas. You can also add it to your own Scentsy Club subscription and have it coming monthly, every 2 months or every 3 months. The decision is totally up to you. One of the features with the Scentsy Club is that always get my bar. So a lot of the bars you saw in my subscription today, they're discontinued bars. You can't get those anymore. But once you have it in your Scentsy Club subscription, Scentsy will always pour that wax for you. So you'll have your bar for as long as that fragrance remains in your Scentsy Club subscription. So that's everything. I probably have another video coming shortly just showcasing things like the new flower diffuser. I had one, I have to do a catalogue walkthrough, and then I'm going to go through some, like I did a first sniffs of the new releases, but I'm going to go through the other scent families as well, just to get that out of the way. So yeah, might be some interesting videos ahead. And then I'm going to actually start warming the old testers from the spring summer, just because some of those I didn't actually get to smell warm. I'd only ever smelt them when they were cold in their little tester pots. So I'm going to start warming those and then just giving my feedback on those. So hope you enjoyed it today. Like the video below, subscribe to the channel just to get updated on all the new things coming out on my channel, and hope to see more comments and stuff below. Take care and have a great day.